premium sound, world-class noise cancellation, aware mode. Yan. So yeah, it feels premium, guys. What's up mga chong? It's me again, Matt, or Techonsite. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng premium headset from Bose. Tara! So ito mga chong, nag-order ako ng headset sa Amazon. And ito yung Bose QC45. If I'm not mistaken, this was just released this October. And actually, I'm not technical in terms of headset. So ito yung first premium headset na in-order ko. And actually, ang purpose ko mainly dito is not just simply for music, but for work from home needs. So lately, for the past year and a half, I've been working from home, and yan, mostly yung trabaho ko are into phone calls with colleagues. And so yun, I have a headset, yung usual na headset na wired from Jabra, I think, and I find it uncomfortable since wired siya. Although yung quality niya, in terms of yung quality, okay naman siya, but gusto ko ng wireless na good naman yung quality. So actually, when I was trying to check for a premium wireless headset, I was looking into yung Sony WH-XM4, I think. So yun yung model. So upon checking online and sa YouTube, in terms of yung mga reviews, maganda yung reviews ng Sony XM4. Because it has the most it has the best features, and yung bass niya, if I'm not mistaken, maganda. So but yung XM4 is about a year older now. Although I don't think it will be replaced soon enough, but itong QC45, it was just released today, and nung nagtest ako sa isang store, I found na mas comfortable yung QC45, and I'm not really a bass-heavy person, so mas gusto ko yung clarity which Bose can offer. Although I admit na yeah, in terms of yung mga features, mas maganda yung Sony talaga. Like halimbawa, ang pagkakaalam ko, pwede mong i-pause when you remove the headset, magpo-pause siya, and may sensor din siya for touch configuration. And yun, but still, I decided to get the most comfortable headset based from yung test ko. I find na mas malaki yung ear cup nitong Bose QC45 compared dun sa XM4. Plus, pag nag-pre-order ka sa Amazon, meron kang yung Bluetooth link from Bose, which I think cost around $75. So free siya kung pre-order. So I ordered this about only last Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. So in just 3 days, I got it. So yun, mabilis ng order dito, ng delivery dito sa Australia. Okay, so tingnan natin, guys. So una muna, tingnan natin yung Bluetooth link. Forgot kung ano yung tawag dito. But let's check. Right, so yan. This is the Bose USB link. And yan, nakapack lang siya ng plastic. So, guys, wala akong second camera, so pasensya na. So, very basic lang siya. Ito yung parang USB extension. Plus, this is the link. So, yan. So, dongle lang siya basically, guys, no? Para mas madaling mag-pair yung headset sa PC. So, which will be useful for me sa mga Microsoft Teams meeting. So, ayan. So, as in, dongle lang siya talaga, guys. So, yan. So, dongle lang. USB dongle. Bluetooth dongle siya. So, yeah. So, ito naman yung USB extension. Now, for yung main part, yeah, let's unbox this. Yan. Huwag natin gayahin si Mateo. Good day, Sally. Did I pronounce it right? Okay, so, yan. Alright, so malaki yung box niya, pero ito lang siya actually, guys. So yan, naka-plastic pa. Maganda yung hindi naman siya damage yung ano. Alright, so yan. Looks premium, no? Yung box parang packaging ng smartphone. So yeah, it's not cheap. Ngayon, let's try. Yeah, so I guess talagang kailangan mo siyang tanggalin dito, no? So it says Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. Premium sound, world-class noise cancellation aware mode. Noise rejecting quad microphone for clear calls. So yun ang habol ko talaga dito. And ang main difference nito, if I'm not mistaken, is USB-C na to compared dun sa QC45. But isa sa mga downside nito in terms of yung yeah, it doesn't have the features compared to other competitors, and very identical yung looks niya sa QC35 except na USB-C na itong QC45. So it says here compatible for iPhone and iPad and in Android. Okay. So yeah, tingnan natin. Right. So, ito yung box. Okay, so nandito yung documentation. And this is the unit itself. Ito yung pouch niya. Okay, so, yan. Ito yung hand ko, guys. Yan, so parang kasang laki ng hand ko. And yeah, smells premium. And yan, so I ordered the white version, guys. Yan. And yeah, it comes with the 3.5 millimeter. And of course, the headset itself. Plus I think the USB-C cable. Yan, USB-A to USB-C. And that's it. Yun lang. Merong foam dun sa case, and Yun, it has mga foams para to protect the item. Yan, so ganda yung packaging niya, no? Kasi well protected siya. And yeah, let's see. So again, ang purpose ko nito is not mainly for music, but mainly for work. Yan, so yeah, it feels premium, guys. Ayan. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Ito yung Bose QC45. And yeah, don't forget to like or dislike this video. And see you again on my next video. Thank you.